Hey everyone, welcome to AYJLOB Inc. Coding and AI Made Easy. Here we break down coding and tech in the simplest way and innovate so you can learn. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Join our community and start to stay updated AI with all our latest materials. Remember to comment and like. Build the fate with the abstract notion implemented and actuated. Call to action.
I'm back here right now today. So, hope you're doing well. And the commands, I think you are well with the commands, so everything is cool. So today what I want to showcase is how to use the stuffs that we call the ChatGPT. We got some other stuffs like we got the co-pilots, the AI, how to use the AI when it comes to the throughput. You know, the the AI bots and whatever those other stuff, the co-pilot stuffs that help the programmers. How is it essential to a programmer? So that is the point tackling today and some a little bit concepts. Number one, as I said that they increase the throughput for you as a programmer. That is in code assistance and generation. So let's say for example you're creating a code from scratch, 1,000 line code. So it's gonna be difficult for you, or even the second point is error handling. But before I handle the second point, let me tackle the first point and make it a little bit make sense. So that is it. So by code assistance and generation, you got the boilerplates and templates that you can generate from the AI. The code, then after on, you keep on extending it the way to suit whatever that you want. So, and also we have to work on the prompt, how to prompt an AI. You know, the prompt that you're gonna give the AI is what will determine the output that you're going to receive in your chat thread with the AI agent, like ChatGPT and other stuffs. So it depends with the prompt that you're going to give it. So if the prompt is open-ended, then of course expect something that is also open-ended. If it's closed-ended, whereby you're specific to something and you're not giving it room to add some other stuffs. Of course, if you make it closed-ended, it will make it also at least specific. And also if there are some things to add, it will just append down the results or the output that you're going to get. So under the code generation, assistance and code generation, got also some of the algorithms. It can help you in making some algorithms and other stuffs, you know. So I say debugging and error resolution or handling. Let's say for example you got a code, 1,000 line code or even more than that, but you are there is an error. It's like for example you got a letter. For you to get an error in the letter or even a grammatical error in the letter, you must go through the entire letter, which will take you a couple of, you know, some minutes. So therefore it will help you to check out and give you the error with ease without even, you know, struggling, you know, get it clear. Exploring also some of the new text, learning what is up and what is on, you know, getting and copying up with some of the stuffs that are popping up, giving the comments, documentations and some other stuffs. Sorry, my PC gonna shut down. Let me plug in the charger. So that is it on error handling and getting yourself alerted on what is going on. So it also helps to comment the code. If you want to understand the code well, it will help you in understanding the code and some other stuffs. Prototyping, collaboration, communication, using, yeah, that is it. So now, earlier I shared a video of the commands. Hope you got the commands. So after now you have the structure. You know how to create a structure. Or even some people prefer using some other like Git bash on creating the structure. Some they just go directly to Visual Studio and create it over there. So there is no problem with that too. There are various ways on how to get the structure. So you have the structure. What to do with the structure? Do you know the components that are going to be in the structure? That is what you must know. When you have the idea, get the loopholes, come with an idea, whatever you want to create or to build. Then after getting it, get deep into it, understand it well. How many, like if it's a portfolio, how many tabs do you need? Why do you need? What do you want to be included in each and every tab? If you're not aware of what to put there, then you can as well ask any AI model. It will let you know, and maybe you select what you have and what you don't want and stuff like that. Yeah, there is it. We got the structure building and some other stuffs. So for today, if you got an idea, after the idea that you have, you've built it, you can prompt a message. I mean, the prompt that you're going to write, then you send it to an AI model. Of course, then you ask for the structure. After getting the structure, at least let me see, let me check if there is about the Campus OLX. Yeah, we got the Campus OLX here. So let me open it. HTT. No, these are captive portal. So we got so that is it. So all these are just built in less than few minutes. After now getting a structure like this, you can now go and add up whatever stuff that you want. If your prompt wasn't specific with what you intended, if it's not well with you, you can still edit it and get some other stuff. So you got this register, login, can create it in less than 30 minutes. So you cannot be using a lot of coffee, you cannot be drinking lots of coffee, so it will be cool. So these are sort of what we call the e-commerce website, because you can see something like post an item, home, Campus OLX. Yeah, so just a simple thing like that. So after that, maybe you can modify the login and the register to be the first when the user gets into it. So you can register, then login. After login, you can view the items that are there. So far there is no item that is posted, and perhaps are restricted. For you to post an item, you must register and you must have an account. So for you to post an item. So that was for today, how to use the AI to get the codes and pasting them into the structure that you have. After getting it, ensure the compatibility. How are they linked? How is the index file attached, or how is each model? Let's say for example, each and every tab, maybe it's a portfolio, so you must look on the about, index, contact, maybe about, the gallery maybe, and some other. How are they linked to each other, or how are they linked to index file? So there is it. Then next video gonna be error handling. So get you there.